Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Honor Pad X9. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to set it up by clicking on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Xiaomi, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can pick all of your files that you wish to send. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Honor. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Honor's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!